Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to transfer tone from OKX to Tonkeeper. Before we get into it, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more crypto related videos. First, open your OKX application. Once you're on the home page, at the bottom right corner, click on the Assets tab and then click on the withdraw, and after that click on the withdraw crypto again. Now in the search bar, search for tone and select tone coin. Now you need to click on the second option, exchanges or wallet. Simply tap on it, and here you can see the network we use is tone with the 0.01 tone fees, which is equal to 0.03 USDT. Simply slide to continue here. Make sure to use the same network as me, and after that you need to paste tone coin address from your Tonkeeper. You can also enter a comment if Tonkeeper provide you, and after that you need to enter a minimum amount of 0.02 to withdraw your funds. So simply minimize this application, open your Tonkeeper, and after that you need to scroll a bit, and here you can see a tone section. Simply tap on tone and then click on this receive button, and after that here you can see your tone coin wallet address. So send only tone coin and tokens in tone network to this address or you might lose your fund. Simply copy this address and open your OKX application again and paste that address here. From Tonekeeper, it doesn't provide us a comment, so we cannot enter a comment here. We need to enter a minimum amount of 0.02 tone and greater than this, so we can further go with our withdrawal method. Now you need to click on the submit button after all this process, and it will take up to 5 to 10 minutes to submit a request, and then your tone coin will be permanently sent to your Tonekeeper wallet. And that's it. Now you know how to transfer tone from OKX to Tonkeeper. If this video helped you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more crypto related videos.